Okay, guys. Didn't think it was going to be silent all the way through, did you? Okay, so what we're going to need is the air tool. Teflon tape. Pretty simple to use. You're going to wrap, the key is wrapping it the correct direction. You're going to tear it this way because you're going to be tightening this tool, or this nipple, this way. So, if you do it the wrong way, it'll come off when you're trying to put it on. So, just wrap it on the thread. So give you a nice seal for the air tool. Just a couple wraps around and just pull it and break it off. We're good. I'll stick it into the end of the air tool. Do it with your hand, tighten it right now. 9/16 inch wrench. Put it on. Snug it down. And that is it. Let's hook it up to the air and see if it works. I'm using this cutoff wheel for cutting metal that I work with. Works really well. This is the little thumb release. Push it and then push all the way down. That's it. We are done. Under 2 minutes and 30 seconds.